show you how I make my fried pork chops. But first I season it with some onions, sazon, adobo, garlic, pepper. Let it marinate in the fridge, and then when I'm ready to cook, I bring it out to cook it. I'm making a pot of white rice, a side of beans. Wait till you guys see the dessert I'm going to make. So excited. Here it is, and then some biscuits in my oven. I kept seeing those viral mini s'mores cookie pies all over online, so I decided to make a big one, and hubby's helping me. So we got the giant graham cracker pie crust for the bottom, and then I'm gonna make a big cookie crust to go on top. Hubby will fill in the pie crust with a bunch of chocolate and marshmallows, because the more the better. Why not, right?
Not that one.
Like when you say mean things to me instead of slamming you back.
That's on camera.
I probably should just tell you how much it hurts.
I got you on camera.
So hubby wants to make sure every part has a piece of chocolate, so there'll be a chocolate on every piece. So while hubby is doing the inside, I am making, or trying to make, a pie crust with the cookie dough. I'm not gonna lie, it looks really cute. He did a good job. Now he's gonna add the marshmallows. Okay, so now is the moment of truth. Does this fit, or do I have to make it bigger? Let's find out. It fit! Oh, I'm so excited. You can still see some marshmallows peeping through, but it's okay. And I hope he likes to poke everything I do. Now I will be popping it in the oven for 5 to 10 minutes, or until it's nice and golden brown and gooey. 10 minutes in the oven and it is done. Coda, look at my big cookie pie. Look! Look, Coda. Wow, hot. Cookie pie.